Special look at whether Australia is prepared to deal with the coming crisis. When Marilyn Shea had problems speaking in her 50s, a diagnosis of dementia wasn't on her mind.
It was horrible. Bianca cried. I cried.
Communication was the big key, so not being able to find the appropriate words to finish a sentence.
It wasn't something she expected to happen so young.
Nobody noticed anything.
Did you know?
It's a condition afflicting thousands of families around the country.
Dementia is the public health challenge of the 21st century.
Experts predict a threefold increase in dementia patients, from 330,000 this year to 900,000 in 2050.
At the moment, there's 1,700 new cases diagnosed every week. And, by 2050, that figure will have grown to 7,400.
Alzheimer's disease accounts for half of all dementia cases. 25,000 people under the age of 65 now have dementia, with some as young as 30. Over 85, the impact is much worse, with 1 in 4 people diagnosed with Alzheimer's.
It's huge numbers, and it's a tragedy for people who have it, it's a tragedy for their families, and it's a tragedy for society.
And the cost of caring for dementia patients will skyrocket from 0.8%